Good morning, it's a new day, and today's itinerary will be going to one of the biggest, kind of like one of the fanciest library in Korea, COEX. That's the name. I've always wanted to get to that library slash bookstore, and today I will be checking it out with my friend. So let's go.
I've already been in Seoul for 2 days now, and there's one more left before I leave. If you ask me what Seoul is like, I'll say it's a city with a story. Much like Lagos with traffic and Enugu with peace of mind. Seoul is hope to me. Usually, when you go abroad to live, nothing prepares you for the loneliness you meet, especially as an adult. But not one day was I sad in Seoul. So, to me, I call Seoul hope. I'm at Quex, Gangnam with my friend. Now, Gangnam is the Seoul, what Ikoyi is to Lagos. That's really all you need to know. This library, also called the Starfield Library, Pure Madang, it sits across 2 floors and boasts of books in every field you can imagine. I love mostly the reading culture this space fosters. As a child, it used to be my dream to live in this kind of library, and it's exciting to see kids living that dream. What is Han River? Well, it's the only body of water in a beachless Seoul. Did you know Seoul has no beach fronts? Well, isn't that why we love Han River? Here at the Han River station, you step out into a park. According to my friend, if it were summer, this place would have been crowded. But that's fine. I love that I get to appreciate the open space and quiet. As I get older, I appreciate the quiet more than the noise, the community more than the crowd. These kinds of small peace, it's usually more comforting as you get older. Now there's something else this park offers. Up this flight of stairs, you'll be in for a surprise. Remember how I said I loved libraries, right? Well, Seoul seems to love me as it shows me more and more surprises as it turns. So welcome to another open library just at the Han Bridge site. That's a book I know. Now more books and view. There's so much that this place offers. Really, it's amazing. It's so amazing that you get to see all these things without even paying a fee. You can just step into this place and enjoy the space. I think that's one other thing that I really like about Seoul, Oh, and that's Gangnam over there. God willing, I'd move to Seoul soon. It goes without saying that where I'll be spending my rest days, right? Well, I'm really happy these days, and I hope you are too. Love, Excel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my last day in Seoul, and I'll be going for Sunday service with my Sunday fellowship, my Christian fellowship. So that's where I'm heading to right now. My Christian fellowship has been really amazing to me during this time in Seoul, and thanks to them, I was able to go to all the places I wanted to go to and see really amazing things and stuff. I don't know how else I would have enjoyed this Seoul trip without them. But yeah, so today I'm going early because I will be part of the choir team this morning, singing in Korean. And yeah, later today we'll be back in our city. Enjoy.
I should probably just see now that I have no clips from church, because when we're in spirit, we forget certain things. However, I do have a picture of the amazing lunch we had together at the end of service.
오, 멋있네. 안경 사러 왔어요. 저 작은 유튜버, 진짜 작은 유튜버. Here we have 이만대. 아마 이거 작은 안경들. 다 예뻐요. 비싼 안경들 이런 거. 비싼 안경. You can easily just come in here and
select the frame, get your eye tested, and get a new glasses in 30 minutes. That's it, guys. I'm going back to Nonsan now. Please subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video next week. With love, Excel.